Here's your 2-minute sports report. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready for takeoff.
Here at KTSU2, it's all about being hands-on.
I want to be a sports anchor, a sports analyst,
a sports reporter.
I want to do it all.
They are the KTSU2 Sports Team. These aspiring sports journalists at Texas Southern are preparing themselves to make their dream careers a reality.
They're learning how to do interviews and how to be an on-air personality, how to be a producer. They're learning how to be professional broadcasters.
It's in radio booths like this one where the KTSU2 Sports Team has been putting their skills and talents to practice.
They are only some of the students in charge of running the radio station's entire operations. The students say none of this would be possible without the help of Professor Serbino Sandifer Walker. Walker has been committed to polishing each and every one of her students.
Go back and make sure everything is perfect with it, okay?
I'm just really grateful for her. She really puts her all into teaching her students what they need to learn to be prepared in the industry.
She helped me with my voice, because we had countless hours on the phone working on my voice, working on my confidence.
It's a great joy for me to work with students every day, and it's a great joy to see them succeed and for them to be able to see what they're capable of doing.
This is Samara Perez for TSU TV News.